Welcome, grade 1 students. Welcome in your science lesson, right? Now, we are going to play a game before starting the lesson, right? Now, what is the game? Now, you are going to tell me the different activities that we can do at different time of the day, right? First, we are going to do you are going to tell me the names of the activities that you can do at daytime. Come on, very quickly since it's a game, so you need to go very fast. Yes, Amin. Daytime, one daytime activity, playing outside, very good. Neha, one daytime activity, riding a bicycle, very good. One daytime activity, Alia, going to school, very good, excellent. Okay, now another one activity which you can do at night time. Come on, very fast. Reading a book, very good. Another activity that you can do at night time. What else you can do apart from reading a book? Playing indoor games. Very good. Another activity that you can do at night time. After playing indoor games, what else you can do at night time? Having a party at night with the friends and family. So these are the different activities that you can do at daytime and nighttime. Like I have already explained you that the daytime activities are different, nighttime activities are different. But sometimes it happens that the same activities you can do at daytime also and the same activities you can do at nighttime also. And what are those? Can you name them? Any activity which is common in both the times, like what, like reading a book. You can read a book at daytime also, you can read a book at night time also. What else is there? Any other activity that you can do? You can play indoor games also at daytime. Sometimes when it is very hot, you cannot go outside to play, you cannot go in the park to play. So what do you do to play indoor games at your inside your house at daytime also? So there are different activities at different times. Some are common, some are different from one another, right? So what we are going to do today is we have done the topic the sun and the stars. This is the same topic which we are going to continue this week also. The previous week we have learned lots and lots of things about the sun. Now this time we are going to learn things about stars, right? So today we are going to learn the things which are related to stars. Now tell me class, when can you see stars? You can see stars at night time. And where are actually all the stars? They are in the sky. You can see the stars in the sky at night time, correct? I'm going to show you some pictures, right? You are going to look at the pictures and we are going to discuss them side by side. I hope you can see my screen, children. Yes, correct. Now, what do you see here? What is the picture actually about? The picture is about nighttime. Very good. And what else can you see over here? There are lots and lots of stars at night. Now, children, can you count the stars? No, they are uncountable because there are millions and billions of stars in the sky. You cannot count them. It's very difficult to count the stars, right? So you can see different stars are there, right? What is the color of the stars that you can see? They are mostly silver or of white color, correct. Now let's see another picture. Now what is this picture about? Again, this is a picture of stars, right? Now the stars are in the blue sky, right? And you can see the moon is shining over here. So what is the color of the stars over here? You can see silver stars, you can see blue stars also. You can see yellow stars also, right? So you can see the stars are of blue color also, they are of yellow color also, right? So that's why I have shown you this picture so that you can see the colors of the stars. Here you can see there are so many stars, uncountable. Some are of silver color, some are of blue color, of yellow color, right? So stars, there are so many different stars of different. You can say there some are since they are very far, so they are looking very tiny, right? You can say these are stars are of yellow and silver color. Here you can see stars of yellow, blue, silver, white color stars, right? Here you can see stars of all the stars are of silver color. But you can see some stars are very tiny, some stars are little brighter. Why it is like that? Because some stars are very far away and some stars are a little closer towards you, right? So that is why the stars which are far away, they are looking very tiny, whereas the stars which are a little nearer to you are a little bigger than the other stars, right? Correct. So that means that stars are, okay, just a minute. Yes. So that means, children, that stars can be of different color. And what are those colors? Those colors are, you can say silver, you can say yellow, they can be of silver color, they can be of yellow color, they can be of blue color. The stars can be of red color also, and the stars can be of black color also. But we as humans, whenever we look up at the sky, you will see stars that they are mostly of white color. They are mostly of silver color because they are shining. We can see the shine of the stars, right? Why can't we see them clearly? Because they are very far away, right? So then you can see the pictures which I have shown you. In one of the pictures, you can see that some of the stars were looking very tiny because they were very far away, whereas some stars were looking a little bigger than the other stars since they were a little nearer to the from the other stars, right? So remember that stars can be of different colors like red, white, blue, yellow, black, right? And they can be uh, they can be of different colors, right? Or and the other thing is, what are actually stars? Now the questions come that what are stars? You can see I have written stars are balls of burning gases. They are balls of burning gases. They have lots and lots of, they are very hot. They are made up of burning gases. So the gases are burning all the time, but we cannot feel that heat. We cannot feel that heat of the gases. Why? Because they are very far away. They are very far away from us. So we cannot feel that heat. But we know that stars are made up of, they are like balls of burning gases. They are lots and lots of burning gases. They have their own shine. They can give light, like they can reflect. They shine all the time because of that burning gases, right? So you can see that on my board I have pasted few stars for you. Now you can see this is a yellow star or a golden star, and these are the silver stars, right? So as you know, stars can be of different colors. Now is the time for you to do the class task. Now what you are going to do? You are going to draw stars like this, like I have drawn on my board, and you are going to write down what are stars. Stars are balls of burning gases. This much you are write down. Stars are balls of burning gases, and you will draw one or two pictures of stars, or you can show a night scene also in your notebook. Since it's writing and drawing, so I'm going to give you 12 minutes for this task, and your time starts now. All right, class, time is up. Time is up. Show me your drawing. Show me what you have done. Wow, very nice stars. Beautiful. Very good. Very good. Excellent. You have drawn very nice pictures. Wow. And you have written that stars are balls of burning gases. So this was whatever all about the stars that we need to remember. We need to remember what, children? Come on, summarize the topic. Come on, tell me what you have learned in one sentence. Yes, you have learned about stars, correct. And what are stars? Stars are balls of burning gases, correct. And what else you have learned about stars? Stars can be of different color. They can be of red, blue, black, yellow, white. They can be of these colors: red, black, blue, yellow, white, or silver. So stars can be of these colors, and stars are the balls of burning gases. And there are how many stars are there? There are millions and billions of stars. They are uncountable. This is what we have learned in the class. Yes? Okay. I hope you are going to remember all these things. You are going to do the work yourself, whatever homework I'm going to post on portal, and keep revising your work. That is very, very important, class. Do revise whatever we are doing. Every day revise that. This is what I am being telling you, right? Since the first day, since we have started this new session, that is term 2. I hope you all are going to work hard, will learn everything, you will revise everything, and if there is any problem that you have not understood, or you cannot do the task, you cannot do the homework, you can always ask me. You are always welcome. Okay, class? Alright, so bye bye. Have a nice day.